Photography studio, day. A young photographer, Jason, is shown setting up his camera and preparing for a photo shoot. Jason, my name is Jason, and I'm a photographer. Photography is my passion, and it's a journey that has taken me to places I never thought I'd go. Flashback, Jason's early years. Young Jason is shown playing with a camera, fascinated by the way it works. Jason, my journey into photography started when I was just a kid. I was always fascinated by the way a camera captured images and how it could freeze a moment in time. Flashback, Jason's school years. Young Jason is now in school, taking his first photography class. He is shown learning the basics of photography, from how to adjust the camera's settings to how to take the perfect shot. Jason, as I grew older, I took my first photography class in school, and it was there that I really fell in love with photography. I learned the basics of photography and how to bring my vision to life through the lens. Flashback, Jason's career as a photographer. Jason is now a successful photographer, traveling the world and capturing amazing images. He is shown in various locations, from the bustling streets of a city to the tranquil beauty of the countryside. Jason, today, I'm a successful photographer, traveling the world and capturing images that tell a story. Photography has taken me to places I never thought I'd go, and it has given me a new perspective on the world. Photography studio, day. And I look forward to continuing my journey through the lens. Fade out.